Item number 1, 2, and 3.
Made legal. As per your lordship's instruction, we have submitted the written submissions. On the last occasion, your lordship has directed us to submit the compilation of the submissions as well as the citations and whatever is being.
That was considered.
Yeah, that was on the last occasion. So I have submitted mine.
So it is for pronouncement of judgment.
Lordship,
Today it is for pronouncement of judgment, not for hearing.
I
In this circumstance, the concept of a validity and acceptability of a second marriage where the persons are governed by the Mohammedan law and the consequential entitlement to the benefits of a family pension and the concept to whom the family pension would be payable under the pension rules of 1969 are held to be two separate and unrelated concepts. And the implication of the concept of a validity and acceptability of a second marriage or further marriages where the parties are governed by the Mohammedan law would have no bearing on the concept to whom the family pension is payable under the pension rules of 1969. Answered accordingly. And the rest of the petitions will be placed before the respective bench. The answer will be followed and it will be taken up.
Item number 2.
So, my lord, the civil court may be minor, but then it was been deleted in the year 2016. After the deletion, it has been made again, amendment was made again in 2021 and 2019 like that.
I
When
will
it
give you
was
only one option. Do you want to wait or because we are not with? We are not in America. In America, probably I have no personal knowledge, but it said that, for example, judge doesn't have any retired.
So, my lord, that is a different issue, but then here on in 2016.
So you wait till January. Next.
Item number 3.
made legal lordship.
We will issue notice. Next.
My lord, I have a small interim prayer matter. Lordship has seen the learned single judge has directed the authority to inquire into the matter, but they're making preparations to release the bill, my lord.
Nothing.
My lord will kindly see at the impugned judgment, one paragraph. Impugned judgment to go to a page. My lord will kindly come to page number 4.
This is the date of the order, Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord,
Date of the judgment, 3011.
3011.
3011. And we are on.
No, my lord.
No, I am just telling you.
Yes.
No interim relief.
No, my lord, I'm not. No, lord will kindly give me 2 minutes time, my lord.
You may take a whole day.
No, I'll not take the whole day.
Because you can come after 1 month, but you want an.
No, I'm not on that. I'm on the propriety of the lordship will kindly see. Please come to para 51. 1 minute.
We have seen para 51 and 52.
The learned single judge says they are glaring anomalies.
Now, my lord, the standing council says in spite of the High Court order, release the bill. I'm having that copy, my lord. Why they are so keen to, my lord, release the bill when admittedly there was no tender, there was nothing, no paper advertisement.
Next.
My lord, kindly have a look at this, my lord.
It is
The
not.
standing council has written to the department to release, and he says there is no, as if there is no other requirement. My lord, it's an absolute case of irregularity, my lord.
Mr. Senior.
No, my lord, lordship has not asked them to release the money. Kindly see, my lord.
No. Therefore, we are not going to give it back. It is not part of the record.
My lord,
It is not part of the record, Mr. Chaudhary. We can't look at it.
no, it has come to our knowledge after filing of.
Maybe.
No, my lord.
When you
if-
are waiting for 1 month, wait for 1 month more.
No, my lord, if in the meantime bill is paid,
Then it will be recovered. They are parties to it. We are issuing.
then
notice.
lordship will say if the payment bills are paid, my lord, that will be subject to the outcome of the case.
We
My lord,
don't need
your
to
lordship
say-
will
Let
see,
it-
well,
No, my lord has seen, my lord, no, my lord will kindly give me 5 minutes time, my lord. Now, here is a case, we have challenged the writ petition on 2 counts.
You may have challenged, therefore we are taking cognizance.
No, my lord, issuing notice will not do in this case. In an appropriate case, why an interim order will not be passed, my lord? I'm posing a question to myself.
You answer.
In
it,
an
not-
appropriate case, is a, my lord,
It-
interim order is not a relief, which is unknown to this jurisprudence, my lord.
At the most, we may say that any action taken will be subject to further order of this court. That we are ready to say.
Including payment of bill
It applies to Mr. Chaudhary.
after the judgment.
Ah.
Yes,
This court has taken cognizance today by issuing notice. And then any action by the respondent shall be subject to further order of this.
deeply obliged.
Meanwhile, the respondents may file their reply.
Yes.
Thus the service permitted. Mr. Chaudhary, don't rely upon waiving. You serve it, otherwise it will not serve the purpose.
No, my lord, what I'm saying is, there is a clear direction from the single
No,
judge.
you
There-
take the dusty.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay.
No, there is an order of the single judge asking them to further inquire into the matter.
They will have
In
to.
spite of that, the standing council says release the payment.
Mr. Chaudhary, now may I tell you, that is the reason why we don't want to tinker with this. This will serve the purpose.
Yes,
Otherwise, it will be understood that we have stayed the inquiry.
yes, yes, yes. Deeply
We
obliged.
have seen para, you are only harping upon 51, please read para 52 when you argue again.
Yes,
yes.
deeply obliged.
My lord, I am appearing for a one hour.
Whoever appearance is there, maybe their caveat is there. Next.
Matter number 4,
Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes, yes.
Let this come on third or second, whenever it is convenient,
Second, my lord.
second. Because that report is awaited probably from,
No, it has come, my lord.
but we will have to look into it.
Support.
Yes, my lord.
Second or third, any date convenient. my lord.
No, you tell convenient. for-
Second, my lord.
Second.
In the meantime, my lord, if the copy of the report is given to PWD, perhaps I'll furnish it from
You
registry, my lord.
furnish it.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
Even it can be given to Mr. Chaudhary also.
yes, yes, my lord. I'll give my senior also.
Because we will require that land from Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord,
Yes, my lord.
deeply,
Deeply.
Mr. Chaudhary, I think that probably the report is based on your assurance that
Yes.
person will be available to.
yes,
So you can put it to him meanwhile,
my lord. We'll go through it, my deeply.
second January. Okay. Pull out.
matter number 5,
We are, in light of the aforesaid, the following directions need to be given. 1. The respondent authority shall protect the area of before bill and shall adhere to the statements made in the affidavit for protection of the site wetland. 2. The respondent state is hereby directed to see that the solid waste management plant under construction shall be fully commissioned latest by 1st July 2020. With this observation and directions, both the petitions are disposed of. In PIL 40 of 2021, it is further provided that it would be open for the petitioner to revise the petition in case of any breach is noticed.
Highly obliged.
matter number 7,
Mr. Nath,
Lordship, I am awaiting the report. Kindly take up on fourth, madam, third or fourth, on the reasoning.
what are your instructions? If it is worth, we may keep it on fourth, otherwise we don't want to.
Madam, Lordship, they are to complete the investigation. The status reports, from time to time we have to
It
receive.
is come after,
Madam.
after the.
Perfect.
Next, at the request of Mr. Tina to submit the status of investigation at
Madam.
25th.
My lord.
Next,
Matter number 8,
In view of the discussions above, judgments relied on by the appellants are not applicable to the facts and the circumstances of the case. There being no merit in the appeal is accordingly dismissed, no order to post.
matter number 9,
first of the case, take that.
We are of the considered view that the directions of the learned single judge directing grant of financial benefits to the respondent cannot be sustained in law in the absence of any evidence led before the tribunal to their effect, and the same is therefore set aside. Matter is remanded back to the tribunal to redecide this issue on the basis of evidences as may be furnished.
Highly obliged.
Writ appeal is allowed to the extent.
Much obliged.
matter number 10,
May I please, your lordship? This case, four petitioners are the drivers earlier just heard.
This is for pronouncement of judgment.
Lordships.
Appeal being found to be devoid of any merit, same is hereby dismissed, no order is to post.
Our and the subject. Lordships.
matter number 11,
Obliged.
Having given our anxious thoughts to the pleadings as well as to the contentions raised by the parties before this court, we find that the ratio in Kripa Sindhu Das and followed in Protiva Devi is squarely applicable to the facts of the present proceedings, and we are not persuaded to take a different view. We therefore find no merit in the writ petition, and the same is therefore dismissed. No order is to post.
Obliged.
matter number 12,
Notice written. We'll issue notice, sir. We'll issue notice.
Obliged.
Will you take justice service? Will you take justice service, sir?
No.
Next,
matter number 13,
same order. Notice written. Maybe, my lord. Anybody appears for the respondent? No, madam. Notice may be issued, my lord. Next, But anybody appear for respond number one?
Respondent one is appear in the connected matter, Mr. Ahmed Lordship.
You saw them a copy. You take notice, what else can be done? Saw them. Notice.
Okay, we have not received the copy.
You
No.
will receive now. You notice recently. Next.
Item number 16 of supplementary list.
Mr. Nath is there. Mr. Nath. This is against Union of India also.
No.
Sir, Chaudhary has argued.
Full number item. What is it? Oh. Triple R.
We have quantified the compensation
Lordship,
at 2 lakhs of rupees. So total 4 lakhs is to be paid
Lordship has fixed the time frame.
within a period of 1 month from the date of the receipt of this copy.
Item number 17.
Having heard the learned counsel appearing for the respective parties, the following directions are issued. 1. The state government shall pursue the appeal in accordance with law. The state government and Assam State Commission for Protection of Rights shall strictly adhere to the provisions of the Commission of the Protection of Child Rights Act 2005 while conducting inquiry into cases relating to the child rights violence. Then we have accepted the suggestions made by Mr. Goswami, but we have added one thing. That the state government and Assam State Commission for Protection of Child Rights shall file a report of any such incident and the steps taken, including the inquiry made and the result of that inquiry, to the Juvenile Justice Committee of Guwahati High Court every 6 months, that is twice in a year.
That will take care of everything, my lord, that direction.
That will.
Yes, my lord.
In a lighter vein, it is an attempt to even avoid any similar petition
Absolutely.
from your end.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 18.
May please, my lord, as per direction of this honorable court, my lord, WPC PRL number 23/22, annexure, my lord, on page 9, my lord, and order dated 19/7/2022. Page 12, my lord, however, the circumstances of this case and considering the tender age of the corpse, so a measure, the director of the Women and Child Development Government of Assam shall depute a welfare officer who shall visit the place of stay of the corpse once in a month and submit report to this court for 1 year, which must be placed on record on this petition with the aforesaid observation the petition is disposed of. Accordingly, my lord, as per the direction of this honorable court, my lord, the superintendent of police, sorry, my lord, superintendent, state,
On 17/12/2022, a report has been received. But we have placed the report before the registry, my lord. Possibly it is before your lordship.
But what do we do on judicial side? We can't entertain such a petition which is filed. What can we
Now-
do, Mr. Nath?
Now the development is that she wants to go to her parents.
parents house, my lord.
Whether she is major,
Please, my dear.
no,
Yes, sir.
is anybody stopping her?
Uh,
Yes, my lord. Respondent number 4.
but here she, while passing the order before your lordship, my lord, she expressed that she will remain with you in
I
the point.
agree. That was the wish that she expressed before us.
Look,
Now there is a change of mind.
change of.
She is major, no orders are required.
Look,
It is open for her. She is a citizen of India. Her Article 21 is available.
Only below the one condition she has put in her statement that she will go and whenever she wants to, she will come to the boys' house and nobody will touch her.
Therefore, we don't want to be a party to it.
Lots.
We will clarify that we have not stopped anything.
But my lord,
All this is Sanita for this.
but my lord, respondent number 1 to 4, they are not there to wait to the.
No, then you have to file a proper petition. This IA will not serve the purpose. Then you file proper IA, proper petition.
I have interested to say the Mandal my lord. I am on behalf of parents.
So
my
now,
lord.
please explain to her that in such a case, then it would be another cause of action for APS.
Lot.
We can't pass any order in this IA.
Sure, lot.
He can file substantive petition.
That's my lord. Can we allow her some order, my lord, that she
I have
is
explained to her,
intentionally-
Lord. She wants that an
She want
observation may
to-
be given that if she wish, she can go.
She can go
That
On
what she
only-
will do at this stage.
at this stage, my lord.
So what do we say? He doesn't press this.
With an observation, my dear.
All sons of the applicant and Mr. Sina. By an order dated 19/7/2022 passed by this court. The for the applicant. He is the applicant.
Yes, sir.
Here, mother is the
Say-
applicant.
Mother, my lord. Earth's mother, my lord.
Purpose.
Nominated.
Is quoted express.
Surgery naam to be.
Namrata. Namrata Das.
ठीक है.
Is a क्या लिखा? The wish expressed by the corpus. Was reported. And was permitted to act as per her by this application. He is prayed for the following. And all the learned counsels appearing for it. We deem it fit to record that all that has been directed is to act as per the wish as the corpus namrata.
Namrata.
He is already a major. No further clarification is required as straightforward. The application is disposed. Next.
Highly blessed.
Matter number 15 of daily list.
Just only one clarification, Mala. If she goes to her parents' house, whether this monthly report is required to submit here.
All other observations made shall remain intact.
Lodge. Hold on.
Who is there?
May it please your lordship, madam, we were directed to file an affidavit in opposition, madam. We'll file it during the course of the day, my lord.
You on vacation.
Right.
Miss the people who are paid. Are says that the affidavit shall be filed today.
Yes, my lord.
And sector to. Thirtieth of January. Mr. Majmudar, any matter?
No, I would like to one matter my neighbor, so I thought verify
So we-
item 17.
We got the benefit of your presence.
Thanks. I'm obliged.